Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Digital evidence requires protection through a mechanism that ascertains evidence or rendition of evidence that has been tampered with or not. To empower law enforcement agencies to be able to run tamper detection workflows, VIDIZMO DEM offers evidence tamper detection that makes your DEM system capable enough to identify that an attempt to compromise evidence integrity has been committed. This detection of the threat enables the user to verify whether the evidence is in its original form or not. Content tamper detection in VIDIZMO DEM works in a way that, when an evidence has been uploaded, its hash stores in the database. Whenever an authorized user verifies that evidence, a new hash regenerates and compares it to the one which was generated earlier. If both evidence hashes found to be same, the evidence would mark untampered, or tampered in the other case. In this video, we will be looking at enabling Content Tamper Detection app in VIDIZMO DEM. To enable Content Tamper Detection app, click on the navigation menu on the top left corner from the portal's homepage and click on Portal Settings under the Admin tab. Expand the Apps tab and navigate to Content Processing and click to open it. Toggle the button against the tamper verification to enable tamper detection functionality, and a confirmation message will be displayed saying, "Portal information updated successfully." Tamper detection will start working on the newly uploaded evidence once the app is enabled. To use content tamper detection on the evidence uploaded previously, you need to run tamper detection on each evidence file by clicking on the overflow menu of the evidence and selecting Verify Evidence. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.